So today we're going to be hydro dipping some all-white Air Force 1. Because I've hydro dipped, you know, quite a few pairs of Air Force 1s, I've been really thinking, and I was like, what if I combine all of the colorways that I've done so far into one pair of Air Force 1s? I did it on some like slides not too long ago, and I think they came out pretty good. Before we get into it though, the giveaway winner for the Air Max 95 Roses will be announced at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So to do this hydro dip, we're gonna need like quite a few cans of different colours of spray paints, and at the moment I have like none left. So we gotta go get some more spray paint. So I got the spray paint. I won't tell you which colours I got because I got all of them. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and dip them in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, whoa. They look sick. I've got the left shoe here. I'm gonna go ahead and dip them in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Dude, whoa. So they're completely done. To give a quick breakdown of the shoes, you've got blue, purple, yellow and purple. And then on the other shoe, there's purple, there's blue, there's yellow, there's pink. There's a whole lot of colours basically. They're pretty crazy looking. Make sure to let me know what you think of them. Would you wear them? So the giveaway winner for the Air Max 95 Roses is 2, as in the number 2, KWANYA. So congrats, you won the Air Max 95 Roses. Hopefully you like them. Cheers, comment, shout goes to Taylor. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.